What's up everybody? It's been a while since I last posted my video up to YouTube. I've been focusing on other things, but today, 30th of October 2019 is a very important day for me. Why? Because finally, I get my hands on the AirPods Pro. Yes, I've always wanted an AirPods to use, but it never fit me. I've done a video which I've attached a link here, which I used it to describe my experience with the Xiaomi versus the AirPods, which never ever fit me. Once you put it inside, after a while, it just simply drops off. My ear just doesn't seem to be able to fit AirPods from Apple, or even the EarPods, so to speak. So it doesn't fit me. And when I heard rumors that this AirPods Pro is coming out, I was very excited because finally I could have something that would fit me from Apple. I have almost quite a number of Apple stuff. I think this is the only guy that always escapes me. I even bought one set of AirPods trying to convince myself that I can use it, but in the end my wife is the happy person who is using it happily right now. So every time she pulls it out, I'm always jealous of the fact that she can use the AirPods, but I can't. But finally, my time has come and I would like to show you the AirPods Pro. Okay, so you have seen the unboxing of the AirPods Pro. So inside the box, it comes with the USB-C to Lightning cable. Comes with additional 2 more tips, which I believe are of different sizes for you to find that perfect fit. And it does have a nifty software feature where it allows you to find the perfect fit by simply putting on the different tips for you to test that out. So I'm going to check that out later and see how effective it will be. Alright, now let's see how these little bad boys fit, okay? I'm gonna fit this on for the first time. Sounds is pretty good fit. Definitely fits well, not like the previous AirPods where they will easily drop out. So this fit perfectly. I'm so happy. Finally, I get something that fits in my ears properly now. Okay, Apple has included a helpful feature in the AirPods Pro, which they call it the ear tip fit test. So what it does that it checks the fit of your AirPods ear tips to determine which size provides the best seal and acoustic performance. So now I'm going to try out that function, that test, and see how it helps me. So once you place it in, and they will ask you to check, make sure both AirPods in both ears so they're comfortable and secure, then press play to test fit. And they give you a result that says that it's a good seal for both left and right earpods. And that's it. Wonderful. So let's talk about the AirPods Pro and what's so special, or what is the new technology that is inside. Number one, importantly, it comes with active noise cancellation. So meaning it's like something like those Bose Quiet Comforts where it's especially useful if you are on a plane where they cut out all the noise or the drones of the engines from the plane. So that is a good feature to have. I think this is what sets it apart. And the noise cancellation features of these guys are pretty good. Once you pop them in and the noise cancellation feature kicks in, and I pretty much can't hear any more of the ambient noise around me. I can more or less just hear my voice. I think it's quite comparable to my Bose Quiet Comfort. I don't have it now with me to do a one-to-one test, but maybe I'll do it in the next video if you guys want to see it. And if I just take it out, immediately I can hear the ambient noise, obviously. And you do have this special feature called transparency mode. So what does transparency mode does? Basically, transparency mode allows you to listen to your music, but at the same time allow you to listen to ambient sounds outside. So for example, if you're riding a bicycle and you can hear a vehicle coming close to you because you have transparency mode on, so it allows some sound to come in rather than keeping you isolated away. So that is a very good important feature. There is also a nifty system they call it a vent system for pressure equalization. So I guess it's something to do with when you use in-ear, in-canal earphones, usually builds out a pressure between the internals and the outside. So Apple probably did it so that it relieves some of the pressure so that you don't feel the discomfort when you put these sets of AirPods on. And you also have custom drivers, and I think you have the H1 chip, which allows you to pair as per all the AirPods that you can easily pair with your phones, your Mac or your iPad. Another thing to note that is also sweat and water resistance. It's rated at IPX4, which means that it can possibly handle splashes, sweat, but definitely not soaking it in water. Alright, that's definitely not recommended. So how about size-wise? It's just slightly bigger than the AirPods 1 and 2 for that matter. I feel that it's got a very nice ergonomic shape where it will fit into your pocket easily. Comparing it to my Xiaomi AirDots, they are roughly the same size, but it does seem that this is a little bit more pocketable. And I did have my Bragi Dash, which has caused me a lot of pain because, you know, sometimes you want to bring this out, but it's just such a big power bank case thing that you don't even feel like bringing it out, and sometimes it really defeats the purpose. But now with the AirPods Pro, it's almost just slightly bigger, as I said, to the AirPods, but it allows you to fit and bring out, and which makes it very usable. Connecting to your phone is as usual, just like the AirPods 1 and 2. You just open it up and it detects the AirPods Pro, and you simply press connect, and there you have it. That is the beauty about having an H1 chip or an AirPod for that matter. It just seamlessly integrates with your phone, it connects easily, and it gives you that smooth connection feeling where it's hard to replicate with other brands. Okay, I want to elaborate a little bit more of what the sensors are on the AirPods Pro. They have dual beamforming microphones, an inward facing microphone, dual optical sensors, motion detecting accelerometer, speech detecting accelerometer, and a force sensor. And obviously it's based on the H1 system in a package. The controls basically are press once to play, pause or answer a call, press twice to skip forwards, press 3 times to skip back, or press and hold to switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. Or you can even do just Hey Siri to make it play a movie and play a song, or make a call, or even get directions. So the charging case works with Qi certified chargers, and it also can be charged via the lightning connector. And battery life is rated at 4.5 hours of listen time with a single charge, or up to 5 hours with active noise cancellation and transparency turned off. Alright, you can use up to 3.5 hours of talk time with a single charge. And a wireless charging case gives you more than 24 hours of listening time, or more than 18 hours of talk time. And one thing to note, 5 minutes in the case gives you an hour of listening time. And let's test the sound quality. Well, it's connected, so it even teaches you what to do with certain actions. And now let's go and try it out. it's very good. I must say it's definitely what I would have expected from AirPods with in-ear quality. I'm very happy that finally this can work for me, and I'm just about speechless now. Finally I have something that works. I'm gonna test the call quality now. I'm gonna give my wife a call right at this moment, or maybe I should just call my daughter. My wife is probably in a meeting, or let's try calling her. Voicemail number. Okay, I'm gonna call my daughter now. Okay, there's this nice, I don't think you can see, there's this nice little button there that shows the hello? Hello, Ellie? Hello? Can you hear me? How come you sound so soft? Is it me or you? Are you? Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. Just want to tell you can hear me loud and clear, right? Okay, bye. Alright, that's a simple review of the AirPods Pro. I'm just excited to get this video out to you to show you that I finally have something, or those people who are having problems with their AirPods 1 or 2, which even the earpods they aren't able to fit into their ear. I can safely tell you this guy fits in beautifully, and it's for people like you and me who are able to use the AirPods. And its design wise allows us to easily activate the controls, and at the same time with this stem here, I guess this stem and the microphone technology allows us to have good phone calls, and the party on the other line will be able to hear us clearly without hearing any ambient noises. And also with such a small case, it's easy to pocket and bring out, rather than what I have for the old Bragi Dash, which I've never brought it out after a long time, and I've been using the Xiaomi AirDots, but these guys, unfortunately the call quality can't be compared to where the AirPods are. So all I can say is this is every bit worth the money, so go and buy one and try it out.